Krishna, Sadhu Pranam, Radhe Radhe. Today I'm going to discuss about a very important topic in psychology. And the name of this topic in psychology is intellectual disability. Now, what is this intellectual disability? In intellectual disability, the subject who suffers from this disability has deficit in three domains. Now, what are these three domains? Cognitive domain. Then is social domain. Third is practical domain. So in the cognitive domain, the subject has problem with attention, retention, that is memory, and they have a problem with thinking, problem solving, decision making, understanding the very basic concepts like reading, writing, maths. So these are the areas in which those with cognitive deficit suffer from. Now, if you give instructions to a child suffering from cognitive deficit, now they will forget the instructions very quickly. To learn the very basic math concept like 2 plus 2 is 4, they will take loads of time. So there is deficit in cognitive domain. Now the next domain is social domain. Now these subjects with intellectual disability, they have a problem in developing interpersonal relationship and maintaining them. Now they will fail to understand the social cues, social gestures, social rules and regulations, and social jokes. So they will fail to understand all this, and they will face problem in interpersonal relationship building and maintaining. Now third, we come to practical domain. In the practical domain, these children suffering from intellectual disability, they are deficit in taking self-care, like dressing independently, bathing independently, or eating independently, and traveling independently. Now this intellectual disability, it is classified according to the severity, degree of severity, into four types: mild, moderate, severe, and profound. Now coming to mild intellectual disability. Now this mild intellectual disability, the IQ range is always below 70. So it is from 50 to 69. Now coming to moderate intellectual disability. Moderate intellectual disability, the IQ range is from 35 to 49. Now coming to severe intellectual disability. In severe intellectual disability, the IQ range is from 20 to 34. Now coming to profound intellectual disability. In profound intellectual disability, IQ range is below 20. Now those with mild intellectual disability, these people, they can live a normal life. They can understand the basic academic skills like reading, writing, basic maths. They can do that. They can live an independent life. They can take self-care. They can even do job somewhere. They can gain employability and they can live a normal life. But those with moderate intellectual disability, they need some support. And those with severe intellectual disability, they need lifelong support. And also those with profound intellectual disability, they need lifelong support. So that's all about intellectual disability. We'll discuss about another disability in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you many folks for watching my YouTube channel. Hare Krishna, Sadhu Pranam, Radhe Radhe.